welcome to part 2.
Part 1 was late, guys.
Ready? What part 2 gonna be even later?
Taveionn got me this. Nobody else in my nose. What are these ingredients?
All queens think they're fierce. That's a mistake. All queens and me. Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the birthday vlog. So we have one more day here. 2 more days. 2 days. Yeah, we have 2 more days. I'm about to go to breakfast this morning. Like my friend checked out this morning, one of my friends, Nicole. So I had to wake up super early. Yeah, come to morning.
Good morning, guys.
It's a part 2 of my vlog. So
Part 1 was late, guys.
ready? What part 2 gonna be even later? So yeah, we're going to breakfast now. This morning wasn't the big face, getting all dressed up type of vibe because we had to wake early. Just want to eat and go. So yesterday, or on my previous vlog, I got American breakfast. So this morning I'm trying to get Jamaican breakfast. Some ackee, and I'm not seeing no ackee. I don't like that. Steamed fried dumpling, rice, palaloo. I don't know what is that. Liver stew. Excuse me, I don't have any ackee today? Ackee. Damn. What sardines on your plate?
That looks so nasty.
No.
This is rundown, yam. Don't remember the name, this is potato again. Don't remember the name. This is pancake. And this is rundown.
Okay. Anyway, so I got waffles, fried dumpling, palaloo. I really love palaloo and I really love fried dumpling. And porridge. I wanted peanut porridge, but they had none. So this is cornmeal porridge. So here I got cornmeal porridge, breaking our bread, and the same thing as what is liver. Yeah. So this is it for breakfast. We do ackee 2 times per week. Like, hello? It's our national dish, only for doing 2 times per week. We must introduce it to the tourists then. Anyways. Wow. Anyways. Yeah, I'm waiting on my tea. Been wanting some tea, so I'm happy I'm gonna get some tea. So guys, we just walked out to the pool. Oh, the pool is closed because they say there's lightning and so forth. The place is actually very dark. It's dark. Hi. Says pool closed, but they're setting up a party right here. It's a private party, and there will also be a private party tonight from 10 to 2. The party that we normally go to over at 12, so we will definitely be trying to sneak into those parties. Probably not try sneaking at this one because it'll happen too early, but tonight it's game time. We up to some shit tonight, but yeah, still just out here.
Jerk line. Try to get the jerk
I saw it, bro.
Look how that shit long.
We need to see it now because at first, I wonder why so much people are over there, so then I realized
That chicken.
it's that jerk chicken, that spicy ass jerk chicken. They're playing volleyball there, but I don't want to break my nail. Oh my god. Where's she gone? Look at Christy looking for us. I'm gonna say nothing to her. Where's she there? Oh, the man eye there. Where's she there? I try. Look how far she walked.
She's going to the beach.
I try. She got down the stairs. Oh god. You can call her, you know. Watch her stop and a look. Feel like someone run cabana. She look like a cabana for. See her there. Look at the eyes, black hair. You're going to walk all the way down there now. good day, Maggie Queen. They're gonna have a private party tonight and we are sneaking. So like, yeah, this is what they are set up right now from private party that is going to happen from 4 to 6 or something like that. And then tonight, they're gonna have a party upstairs from 10 to 2. So we're sneaking at the one here.
Just it's small.
I don't think we're sneaking at this. No, these are just the stairs.
Oh.
For the entertainment.
Yeah,
But
probably gonna perform.
more than likely, the one tonight more sneaking to. Not this one.
After we done with
Why
the
we
12
sneaking
o'clock
now?
over there.
Because it's private. So,
He
you
said
have to
they're
sneak
gonna
in that you
have
can't
games.
just. You need a private meal. Secluded for people. It's exclusive to the people then, private. So you have to sneak it. But guys, yeah, we'll probably play volleyball now. Them really look like them play some serious volleyball over there, and I want to break my nail, and I haven't played volleyball since high school. Since high school, I play volleyball, you know? That's like 7 years ago. Damn. But yeah, we'll go over there. My TV gonna fall out, but can't be all here flashing people for free. That's so funny.
Yes. Yes. That was nice.
Guys, I'm showing you pretty. If Two-Face was a sky, you know like you have Two-Face business? I'm gonna show you if Two-Face was a sky. Boom.
Run us away.
Boom. 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 Damn. So right there, so it parked. Right in the middle. The pool is now open back. It's about to rain, but we want to go on these slides. Damn, it's really about to rain. So we're about to go on the slide. No, it's good. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. But I already gone back. Oh my god.
Oh, my phone on my shop.
Guys, the light in a flash. This not look safe. This not sound safe. Yo, look at the resort though. Big and beautiful. Which one we are going first? Let's go on my phone wait up. But it seems you go first, let me see. We can go down with my phone. Act like you have a phone in your hand.
Listen to me, no one slide.
Guys, I went down. I'm not sure if my lace is wet. I don't think so. But I cut my knee cut. Then I say a kid slide. Like, that's so unfair. Like, come on. Like, we are them kid at art. But yeah, at least we get to go down it once. Cut up still. I'm not gonna say, oh.
Literally.
Oh.
Cut up literally.
Literally cut up. Then we're gonna say, oh, it's kids slide, that's why my knee cut. When the kids them bigger than me. Like the kids them in a body size, them literally bigger than me. So then I'm gonna say the water shallow because it's for kids. Anyways, grab my bag, grab my glass, and grab my wheels. So guys, we are in a game room which is all ages 12 to 19. So we're 19. How old are you? 19. We're 19. So They have rugged. What's this called again? Hover hockey. There's also this thing I always keep playing it, but I don't know how to play it. Wow. Wow.
Wait, stop.
Defend your thing, bomba. I hate that for you. I hate that for you. But there's also this thing. I think I want to play this one. Let's go. Damn, Mr. Oh, bomba. I mean that to the people. Damn, you can see who ain't no netballer here. Damn. Whoop. Down. Come my side.
3, 2, 1, go.
Defense.
Hard tackle, Yanni. Hard tackle. Are you me there cheer for a long time, yeah, girl? You me there cheer for? Yeah. Your side me the fun. You have lost.
Here, hold phone. Take it.
So you're gonna play against her?
Girl, where have to be yourself? Thank you, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
Good job. Good game. He said he's gonna play against you.
No, you go.
No, I'm play against her first. Because we're gonna do 5 points, you can pass. It's like I'm ready for school, my job. And that means say like say him the king. He's going to school you. Yeah, have competition now. See me look timid. Him and then I'm happy to show you how competition is no period. You look timid. Why you look there? You look like you're scared of him. She's embarrassing us, guys. How old are you? How old are you? 11. She's embarrassing us. Let me on his feet. Timmy nervous.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
I know. Next. That was crazy. 5 so quick. Okay. I'm gonna be so bad. Okay, Tashfierce. Okay. And the game begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Rejoicing too soon, man. No, you have to give her a little time for rejoice. Rejoicing too early. Sir, wait. Hands down. Hands down.
I just want to say thanks to my mother, my friends like Taveionn. I want to say thanks to his mother for being by the side. Get some help.
Stop it. Get some help.
Right. But I still beat him. One party just got finished, but there's a private party downstairs that we want to go to. This is my outfit, by the way. I took off my head tie.
So this is the party. Then the party outfit. Show them my outfit.
I don't know if I already told you that we were trying to get food, so we are still trying to get food. If you hear the back of my shot, I'm going to ask you flat. Hear this. I make sure this big party where I keep our hotel. Come in now in front of the Richie town. Right out hotel. Morning guys, so we're leaving today, but I have to do breakfast really quick. We got a nice view. We're at Blue Lagoon this time, so this morning we tried a different breakfast buffet night. I fell asleep in my makeup again, look at my face. Anyways, morning people morning
guys. I'm trying to hurry up and eat because we're always late and you guys know that. We always late.
I have pickles, pineapple, this and that, Johnny cake, fried dumpling, and just chicken, yogurt. Hey guys, so I didn't get to close this vlog out. So first of all, we missed our Oxford from Lucy to Kingston, so we had to go to the airport in Mumbai. I saw someone commented on my last video saying COVID spreader. First of all, I'm vaccinated. Not saying that that will stop me from spreading COVID, but if you watch carefully in my vlog, every time we isolate ourselves from the crowd. First of all, like, my main reason for not going to the private party was because it's after I realized the amount of people that will be there. The other parties that we've been going to, it don't even have 30 people or 20. And when, even if it have 20 people, if you realize that most are scattered, you'll have some people that is gathered on the dance floor and so forth, in which we stayed far from that. But yeah, my clip from my first, from part 1, like, I'm not sure what went wrong with it. Like, it was muted, and oh, that was so annoying. But I just want to say that I am 24 now. I've never been this age. I don't know how to act. Like, I don't know how a 24-year-old should act or how they should be. But I don't think there's really like a rule to it. I've never done this, and I'm excited for another chapter in my life. But I'm not sure why being 24 in comparison than when I turned 23, I didn't feel this way. Maybe it's because 24 is so close to 25, like I have less than a year before I'm 25, quarter century. So with all of that, funny enough, that have me thinking, I've recently put things into perspective regarding my life and the people that I surround myself with.
First of all, I have to say I don't have words to express how grateful I am for the people in my life. If you know me, I am very appreciative. For my birthday, of course I made a birthday wish list and so forth, but it was never that serious. If you text me like, what you want for your birthday, I'd be like, anything is appreciated. I just want your presents. But there's a wish list if you still choose to get me something. Like, for me, if you're there for me, that means more than buying a gift. Like, I appreciate the gift. I love nice things. Me love nice things, but I really appreciate people being there for me, even if you aren't there on my birthday day, but you're there, like, you know, assisting me with whatever I want. Because one thing with me, I am going to, like, my love language is doing stuff for people, like assisting in any way that I can. I will go out of my way. Sometime fucking neglect what I have to do just because I want to help you. I know it's kind of crazy, but yeah, it's my love language. I like to help. So when people do help me or show some kind of energy, some kind of effort to making my life easier or making me feel better, I really appreciate it and I love it. I must say, I really appreciate the people around me. Like, big up on myself. I always thought that I need more friends or I want more friends, being older and going out and so forth, but nah, I don't want that. I'm good with the people in my life right now. Right, so I'm kind of straight from the point, but let's backtrack to what I was saying. So I've realized that life is very much borrowed, and at some point we all have to return it. There's no going around it. So that have me thinking, like, what makes me happy, who makes me happy, what makes me feel fulfilled, what kind of life do I want for myself? Are the people in my life and the things that I'm doing right now, I'm putting my time and energy in, are they aligned with my future, the person that I want to be in the future? Like, I'm just so excited to be that black girl living in luxury. I have been thinking recently, and I literally know the type of life I want and what I must do to get there. So most things that I used to focus my energy on, I definitely have to quit that. I would say I've been going in a good path so far. It's me reflecting my whole life because of another birthday. That's crazy. But all I have to say is I love the future me that is coming. Like, that girl is everything. That girl is everything, and y'all will see it soon. So I was trying to wait on all of my gifts to get here, even though y'all be like, nah, drop the vlog right after, whatever. But I got some stuff, I got some more stuff, but I didn't get everything. And surprisingly, I have subscribers sent me gifts that I didn't even remember that I had an Amazon wishlist. Like, I created it from April and I've never promoted it, I've never posted it. But if you click the link in my bio and scroll down, you can see gift me and so forth. I was actually trying to delete it, so that's why I don't even have a pic. I was trying to delete it from when I just created it, because long story. But yes, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. It was just the love that I got is just so overwhelming, and realizing that everybody is a fake ass, aiding ass top person. They're genuine people in this. Like, I've known that there are genuine strangers out there, but my trust issues is like right. But let's get into this gift unboxing. Everyone was being like, oh, do I gift unboxing in another video? I've never sat down and watched a gift unboxing. I'm a YouTuber, but I am one of those people who watch YouTube. Like, I'm not just the YouTube, I literally watch YouTube, and I have never I just don't find them video that interested. So I just don't find those videos interesting, so I won't put it out. But hope y'all enjoy this little unboxing that I'll be doing. Yeah, I only got 2 gifts so far from Amazon. I have 3 on the way. I'm not sure who's it from, but the person that owns the shipping company, I know them, so they normally inform me when I have packages on the way. I wanted to wait, but y'all like now get this video out the way, and the other stuff that I was waiting for would not come in a week's time either. So let's just unbox what I have right now. So this is from my friend Timira. She actually did not get this bag, to be honest. I already had this bag at home, so I just put them in it. She said she forgot to buy a bag and she just gave it to me like this. Like, I'm gonna insert the clip. Hello! Trying to see me getting sexy. Thank you. You're welcome. As you can see, I was excited about it. So this is the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I actually asked her because she came to Jamaica in I want to say April when I went to Ocean Coral Spring, and I did ask her to buy a Fenty lip gloss for me, but she didn't get it. I asked Steph to buy it when she was overseas. She didn't get it. So I've been wanting the Fenty lip gloss for a while, but look here, I've been wanting one, I've been wanting this, and I got 5. I got 5. Like, I'm so excited for these. Their quality is so nice. It is lovely. I've tried it before. That's why I wanted it so bad, but it wasn't mine. And yeah, I'm just so happy for this. She also gave me, guys, I'm probably gonna chat enough in this video, but please stay with me. Okay, she got me a bra from Pink. I don't really want to be showing these on here because YouTube is so funny. Like, I'm pretty sure them hate me because the more they lock off my comments, the more they age restrict my videos, the more they yellow mark me like, hello, YouTube hate me, so I'm not even going to show the bra. But it's a bra from Pink, and then it's this top from Fashion Nova. Yeah, I really love this. It's very cute. I can see myself wearing it with some jeans. Ooh. Oh, she also gave me some AirPods Pro, in which it's not in my possession as yet. I do have the AirPods, the normal AirPods, but one is not working, so I'm really happy for this. I'm not even sure where the other one is, but I can't wait until I get it. So moving on, this next this next gift is from Chrissy. She gave me a rose. Thank you, this is so sweet. Like, I've only gotten a rose once in my life. Once, and that was a long time ago. Nobody else ever buy me a rose. Thank you, baby. She got it in purple too, so that's just so cute. She got me this dress because me love clothes and I love black. But yeah, this is the dress. It's cute, it's giving sexy. Why? Okay, the black, I fit that. But yeah, I love this. It's cute, it's sexy. I haven't tried it on as yet though. And she gave me this. She gave me more candies, but I was eating them. So what's inside this is a lip gloss, some candy. Guys, if you know me, I have a sweet tooth. Like, I eat sweets more than I eat actual food. Maybe why it's gonna break out so often. But Twix, Cocoa Bar, Milky Way. You know how much I was refraining from eating these? When I remember these, when I did younger, I used to love this and act like, say, when I take a pill. Now look at y'all popping mollies and shit. Look at y'all. Not me though, y'all stay safe. Not me though, but look at y'all. This shit causes it. This shit. Nail look completely disgusting, so don't even pay no mind. And whenever she come over, she know that I always have to have the light on. Like I have a little red light that I sleep with every night. I'm not afraid of the dark, but I just don't love it. Like I just don't feel comfortable for, like I just can't fall asleep when the place is too dark. Like my mind will be thinking about so many things. So I have to sleep with a night. Yeah, not night. I have to sleep with a light. So she brought me this little cute love. This little cute love lamp. I think when you light it up, it actually lights up red. I love it. Thank you, babe. And she also got me this, but it's not here as yet, for when I'm ready to go out and take my pictures. It's portable. I love it. My friend had it and I'm like, no, I need to get one of this. So yeah, moving on. Okay, so Taveionn got me this. It was our choosing though, like they're so cute. So she got me a cute Pandora bracelet. Like, guys, look at it. Look at it. Ain't it cute? So dear friends and family, you need to buy me charms now. Show me how much I mean to you. Like, buy me something that will show your love to me in that specific charm that you choose, like how you feel about me. But yeah, this is it. I really love it. I like how this looks like a crown, so that's my main reason for choosing this one. So my next gift is this. You guys already saw this. It's the Crocs my mom bought for me, and she also gave me money because she wanted to buy me the Pandora thing also. So I'm like, no, I already got one, so just give me the money. And no, we don't keep it in the bag. We only put it in the bag because I'm gonna do the video, which makes no sense because I'm still not going to show it. Okay, let's go for this big one. I'm going to insert the video of my initial reaction when I just got it. So I just got a package and I'm just so excited. Alright, I'm gonna pull it. When I see it before me. Wait. Alright, look. Alright, look. Guys, it's... Sorry. It's me! So guys, Nicole got me this for my birthday. Too fucking early for my ball. Look how nice. No. Look. What the fuck? What the... No, bad to bad. Yeah, guys, so y'all saw. And this is it. I absolutely love it. Like, look how nice. And look on she and look on she. What are these grays? But no, man. Guys, I have nothing to say. Thank you, Nicole. Oh, my friend Nicole got this. I'm not sure if I said that. Thanks, babe. My little teddy bear. Love you. Guys, I have such awesome friends. I can't stop showing. Me love it. This is the back for who is wondering. You can hook it up on your wall. Okay. So this, the bag empty, to be honest. We only have the certificate in it. So I got a Bridget certificate from my ex. So I will just put it in this old Bridget bag that I had. Yeah. Okay, so this I also put in this bag, but it is, I'm not sure what it is. It wasn't on my wish list on Amazon, but it's a long story. I had to share my address. Okay, it's giving very much black girl magic. This is cute. This is cute. I'm going to try and insert a pic. This is cute. Thank you so much. I love this. So my next one from a subscriber is, so as I said, this is on my wish list. So this is it. I actually got notified that it is 2 of them, so guess someone else bought one. So this is a soft box, and you know, why am I forced to open this? Guys, it's an umbrella light. I will insert the pic. So thank you very much. I'm really happy for this. I really appreciate it. Girl, I love you. This is some swimwear I got from my friend. He owns a swimwear line at I Swim Caribbean. Go and check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. He gave me a few swimwear. They're cute. This is one that I already wore on my vacation. Thank you so much, boo. This is a little gift from my aunt. This is my favorite scent from Victoria's Secret. I love it. I love it, and mine finished, so I told her to get me one, and she got me a bra. So I don't want to show it, from Victoria's Secret also. Thank you, I really love it. So as I said, I've received every gift as yet. One of my friends, which is food, she's overseas, she sent money, but she's also sending a gift which is not here as yet, which is perfume, just so y'all know. My father gave me money. Any gift that I didn't mention is either got money or nothing. So guys, if you still want to send me something for my birthday, a late gift, the link will still be in my bio. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.